Hey everybody, and today we're talking about our furry family members, our dogs. One of the biggest alarm bells for any dog owner is when their furry friend suddenly stops eating. But before you panic, remember, dogs are complex creatures. Just like us, they have good days and bad days. Sometimes it might be a simple case of picky eating, but more often than not, there's an underlying reason why your dog's turning their nose up at their dinner. They can't tell us when something's wrong, so they use their behavior, and a change in appetite is a big red flag. So, stick around because in this video, we're diving deep into the 9 most common reasons why your dog might not be eating. We're going to uncover these hidden causes so you can get to the root of the problem and help your furry friend feel their best. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk teeth. Dental problems are one of the most common reasons dogs stop eating. Cracked teeth, painful gums, infections. These can all make chewing a real nightmare for your pup. They might be eager to eat, but the pain just becomes too much. Some dogs might try to push through the pain, but you might notice them eating more slowly or dropping food while they eat. Just like us, dogs need regular dental care. Brushing their teeth daily is ideal, but even a few times a week can make a huge difference. There are also special dental chews and toys that can help keep those pearly whites clean. And of course, regular checkups with your vet are crucial. Now let's move on to another common culprit, tummy troubles. Just like us, dogs can experience a whole range of digestive issues that can put them off their food. Whether it's a simple upset stomach or a more serious condition like gastritis or pancreatitis, those gastrointestinal grumbles can really zap their appetite. You might notice other signs too, like vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, or even a hunched-over posture. If your dog is showing any signs of digestive distress, especially if it's accompanied by bloody vomit or diarrhea, loss of coordination, or a fever, don't wait. Get them to the vet immediately. Early detection and treatment are key to ensuring a speedy recovery for your furry friend. We often forget that our dogs have feelings too. They experience stress and anxiety just like we do, and it can manifest in a variety of ways, including a loss of appetite. Dogs are incredibly intuitive creatures, and they pick up on our emotions, changes in routine, and any disruptions to their environment. Moving to a new home, the arrival of a new baby or pet, loud noises, even a change in your work schedule can all trigger stress and anxiety in your furry friend. Some might become withdrawn and quiet, while others might become more destructive or vocal, and of course some might simply lose interest in food. The key here is to identify the source of the stress and address it. If you know a change is coming, try to introduce it gradually. If the stress is due to a change in your routine, try to spend some extra quality time with your dog, engage in some fun activities, and provide lots of reassurance and love. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how often it's overlooked. Dogs can be picky eaters just like us. They have their preferences, and sometimes they just don't find their food appealing. Maybe the food has gone stale, maybe the flavor is off-putting, or maybe they're just tired of the same old kibble. If you've recently switched your dog's food and they've suddenly gone off their meals, that could be the culprit. Always introduce new foods gradually, mixing them in with their old food to help them adjust to the taste and prevent digestive upset. You can also try adding some warm water or low-sodium broth to their kibble to enhance the aroma and make it more enticing. Just like certain medications can cause side effects in humans, they can also affect our furry friends. Loss of appetite is a common side effect of many medications, including antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, and even some heartworm preventatives. If your dog has recently started a new medication and you notice a decrease in their appetite, it's essential to talk to your vet. They might be able to adjust the dosage or switch to a different medication with fewer side effects. Always err on the side of caution and communicate with your veterinarian. Don't miss out on crucial dog health info. Subscribe now for weekly update. Sometimes a loss of appetite can be a sign of something more serious going on beneath the surface. Systemic illnesses which affect multiple organs or systems in the body can often manifest as a decreased appetite in dogs. Conditions like kidney disease, liver disease, cancer, and even hormonal imbalances can all cause a dog to lose their appetite. If your dog's loss of appetite is accompanied by other symptoms, such as weight loss, lethargy, increased thirst or urination, vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in their coat or skin, it's crucial to take them to the vet for a checkup. Early detection and treatment are essential for managing these conditions and ensuring the best possible outcome for your furry friend. Pain or injury. If your dog is in pain, whether it's from an injury, arthritis, or any other medical condition, eating might be the last thing on their mind. Dogs can be incredibly stoic creatures, often hiding their pain until it's unbearable. So if your dog suddenly stops eating or shows signs of discomfort while eating, such as whimpering, yelping, or difficulty bending down to reach their bowl, it's essential to take them to the vet to rule out any injuries or underlying medical conditions. Pay close attention to their body language. Limping, stiffness, or hesitation to move can all be signs of discomfort affecting their appetite. Also, check if they're avoiding certain movements, like lowering their head to the food bowl. This could indicate neck or back pain. Changes like a slippery floor near their food area can make it physically challenging for dogs in pain to eat comfortably. Adding a non-slip mat can make a big difference for dogs dealing with mobility issues. Remember, regular vet checkups are crucial for all dogs, but especially for senior dogs or those with pre-existing health conditions. Infections. Just like us, dogs are susceptible to various infections, and some of these infections can directly impact their appetite. Respiratory infections, for example, can affect their sense of smell, making food less appealing. If you notice your dog has a runny nose, is sneezing, coughing, or seems congested, it's essential to take them to the vet to address the infection. Don't overlook dental or oral infections. Conditions like abscesses, gum disease, or mouth ulcers can make eating painful for your dog, even if they seem otherwise healthy. Watch for signs like drooling, pawing at their mouth, or reluctance to chew. Systemic infections, such as those caused by bacteria or viruses, can leave your dog feeling tired or unwell, leading to a decreased appetite. If they're unusually sluggish or have a warm nose or ears, it might be time to call the vet. Aging appetite. As dogs enter their golden years, their bodies naturally undergo various changes, and these changes can affect their appetite. Just like humans, older dogs may experience a decrease in metabolism, leading to a reduced need for calories. Their sense of taste and smell might also decline with age, making food less appealing. If you have a senior dog, it's essential to be patient and understanding when it comes to their eating habits. Regular vet checkups are crucial for senior dogs to monitor their overall health and address any age-related concerns. Keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. Here are the bonus tips I promised. Try adding a natural appetite stimulant like bone broth or a sprinkle of freeze-dried liver to your dog's meals. These additions can make their food more appealing while giving them an extra boost of nutrition. And don't forget a high-quality multivitamin to fill any nutritional gaps, especially during stressful times or illness. A sudden loss of appetite is always a cause for concern and should never be ignored. If you're eager to avoid common mistakes that could harm your furry friend, don't miss our next video, 17 Dangerous Mistakes When Leaving Your Dog Home Alone. Click here to watch it now. If you found these insights helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more pawsome tips on keeping your furry friend happy and healthy. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your fellow dog-loving friends. Let's spread the knowledge and help all dogs live their best lives.